Tofo, play soccer. Tofo, play soccer. You ready? Wah!
She's a goalkeeper.
I know. Ha! Scored! Go get it. Go get it, honey. It's over there. It's over there. She knows it's there. But she gets it. Oh, she can't get it this time. She got it. And she brings it back. It's so cute. Then she drops it, waits for me to get it. What a girl. Wow!